Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable startup programs in Windows 11. So let's get right into it. First off, why should you care about startup programs? Well, these are the apps that automatically start running when you turn on your PC. While some are essential, others just slow your boot time and can drag down performance. Let's clean them up. Simply click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type in Startup and hit enter. This should bring up startup apps as the best match in your search results. Click on it to open. You will see a list of all the apps that have permission to start automatically when your computer boots up. Take a good look through this list. It's time to tidy up. To stop an app from running at startup, just toggle it off. Remember, you are not uninstalling the app, just stopping it from launching on startup. Here we have Microsoft Edge. It's set to start automatically and has a high impact on startup time. Unless you need your browser open right away every time you start your computer, you might want to toggle this off. Moving on to Wondershare Studio. As I'm not using it daily, it's a good candidate to disable. Look for apps that you don't use frequently or those that aren't essential at startup. For example, PhoneLink and mobile devices are set to start but have no impact currently. It might be safe to turn this off if you're not using them regularly. After making these changes, restart your computer to see the changes come into effect. That's pretty much it. Managing your startup apps doesn't take much time, but it can improve your PC's performance. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.